Hey there, food lovers! Today, I'm about to unveil a delightful mystery that'll have your taste buds dancing. We're talking about the asparagus, egg, and potato Caesar salad. Now I know what you're thinking. Caesar salad is usually all about the lettuce. But trust me, this twist is going to blow your mind. Let's start with the stars of the show, the asparagus, egg, and potato. Now why these ingredients? Well, asparagus brings a lovely crunch and a slightly bitter, grassy flavor that pairs perfectly with the creamy, tangy dressing. The eggs? They add that rich, velvety texture, like tiny golden nuggets of flavor. And the potatoes? Oh mate, they're the hearty, comforting element that makes this salad so satisfying. Right, let's dive into the history of this dish. Legend has it that Caesar salad was invented in Tijuana, Mexico by an Italian-American named Caesar Cardini. One busy 4th of July, short on ingredients, he threw together what he had: romaine, croutons, parmesan, and a special dressing. But here's the twist. Our version takes it up a notch by swapping out the lettuce for these fantastic veggies. First, let's talk prep. Grab your asparagus and snap off the woody ends. Toss them in a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper, then roast them until they're tender and slightly charred. Trust me, the roasting brings out their natural sweetness. Next up, the potatoes. You want small waxy ones, they hold their shape better. Boil them until tender and then give them a quick pan fry to get those crispy edges. It's all about that texture contrast. Now the eggs. Soft-boiled is the way to go. You want that gooey yolk to mix with the dressing. Boil them for about 7 minutes and plunge into cold water to stop the cooking. Peel carefully and you've got yourself some perfect eggs. Alright, time for the dressing. The heart of any Caesar salad. We're going classic with a mix of egg yolk, mustard, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, anchovies, garlic, and olive oil. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Don't be shy with the anchovies, they give that umami punch that makes the dressing irresistible. Assemble time. Toss the roasted asparagus and crispy potatoes in the dressing, then gently fold in the soft-boiled eggs. Top it all off with a sprinkle of parmesan and some freshly cracked black pepper. And there you have it. A salad that's not just a side dish, but a star on its own. The combination of textures and flavors is simply divine. Perfect for a light lunch or a stunning starter at your next dinner party. So, what are you waiting for? Give this asparagus, egg, and potato Caesar salad a go, and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Happy cooking and even happier eating. Cheers!